All right, welcome to another trade recap. Today is the first, or technically the second trade of 2025. So we are looking at NQ today. Daily bias, going over it real quick. As you can see, we're basically trading in a range before pre-market. If you take a look, kind of box this off a little bit, we could see that we have the power of three right here, and you could take a look that we wanted to see price do some kind of manipulation. So I wanted to see price either come below these sell side liquidity lows right here or above these buy side liquidity. So we ended up going above, sweeping above all of these highs. And at this point, I wanted to give some kind of confirmation to the downside, something that's going to push us even lower, to taking out all of these lows and potentially even moving lower. Unfortunately, what we did end up seeing is something like this. So we could see that we have a 1 minute inverse fair value gap. So this is actually, if you take a look like on the 5 minute, I believe it was 1 through the 5 minute time frame, we could see that we had this beautiful inverse fair value gap. Price came into it. I took it. I kind of messed up at this point because I completely forgot that we had news at 9 a.m. and I literally took this trade 30 seconds before news came out and it spiked up and it kind of almost it very closely stopped me out. I would have been very very close to being stopped out. After I saw that, I instantly moved my stop loss right above these highs right here. We ended up retracing back, sweeping more liquidity, generating more liquidity within the market. Came below, take profit one hit, stop loss to break even, take profit two, which was basically it for that trade. We came above and then we hit my stop loss, which is at break even at that point. So usually when you see these kind of trades, when you see the power of three trades, you want to see some kind of manipulation to the upside. So this is usually how they look. So if you take a look, let's just get rid of this. So usually they're going to look something like this. So come above this buy side liquidity, that accumulation range, make some kind of manipulation to the upside, then come below, start moving, making momentum to the downside, retracing back as in like a inverse fair value gap or just a normal fair value gap, then moving lower. Unfortunately for today, we didn't really see that. We just kind of saw a weird looking power of three, I guess you could say. So that's really all I had for today. I was going to find some kind of re-entry just for another trade to keep moving lower, but I kind of figured it was gonna be like a Friday, so we're not gonna see price respect anything. I did see that we came into this 1 minute to 3 minute fair value gap right there. Let me get rid of this. 1 minute to 3 minute fair value gap. I took it as just a paper, just so I can practice it moving forward. Had my take profit a little bit below these lows. We ended up getting stopped out because, as you can see, we ended up just moving higher. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Next week, starting Monday, I'm going to have a bunch of new videos coming out. I'm going to have basically a series, an educational series on trading. It's going to have actual trading, psychology, how to become better as a trader or as a person in general. So watch out for that. I actually called these trades out on my Discord. If you want to join that completely for free, it's in the link in the description of this video. Call this trade out live in front of probably 20 different 30. I think we have about 30 people in there right now. So if you want to join that, that's in there. One-on-one mentorship calls, that's all in there for completely for free. So if you want to join that, that's free. I'm out of here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna try to post another video this weekend if I can. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you. Peace.